Hi, this sound is called stoops. Stoops. It is used to express some kind of disappointment, annoyance, or just sheer derision. Stoops. And this eye defect is called strabismus. Strabismus. Please do not, for any reason, tease anybody with this problem. Thank you so much for your time. See you in my next video and enjoy your day.